Yakiniku Teisyoku, set meal with grilled meat. The advantage of a yakiniku set meal over pizza or French fries is its good nutritional balance. A yakiniku set meal contains a balanced combination of protein, vitamins, minerals, fats, carbohydrates, and vegetables. On the other hand, pizza and French fries are often considered high in fat, high in calories, and low in nutritional value, so moderate consumption is recommended. A yakiniku set meal can be considered a healthy choice as it takes into account nutritional balance in the meal. Beef is a good source of protein that contains a good balance of the 9 essential amino acids. It is said to be a recommended food for health-conscious people because it is rich in minerals such as iron and zinc. It also contains a lot of L-carnitine, which has a fat-burning effect, and is therefore expected to be eaten in a tasty way while being conscious of loss weights. Allicin Ali L-sulfide in onions has antibacterial effects, boosts immunity, promotes cholesterol metabolism, and prevents the formation of blood clots. In addition, it is expected to relieve fatigue, stabilize the mind, and improve immunity. American beef is very delicious. Put thinly sliced beef belly meat into a bowl. Pour yakiniku sauce over the meat. Mix well to thoroughly coat the meat with the yakiniku sauce. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Please slice the onions. Please put vegetable oil in the frying pan. Please stir-fry it gently to avoid burning. Please put the meat that has been resting into the frying pan. Please stir-fry it well. Please place shredded cabbage on a plate. Please place the stir-fried meat and onions on top of the cabbage. Oops! Enjoy it as soon as it is done. Cabbage is optional, but I recommend it. When the hot meat is placed on the cabbage, it becomes warm, and the yakiniku sauce seeps in, making it tender and delicious. Even though I am not a fan of vegetables, I always enjoy this cabbage. It is delicious to enjoy it with beer, and it is also very tasty when sandwiched between bread. Give it a try and see for yourself. Thank you for watching.